What I got left is to get this cast iron bathtub out of here. I'm gonna cut it with a Sawzall into a couple pieces and try to muscle it out. I called a friend, talking to him, and he gave me another idea that I didn't get YouTube certified on. I didn't see this idea when I was looking. So this is a cast iron bathtub with a bath fitter over the top of it. So they put pig on the lipstick, right? But the bath fitter bathtub is glued into the old tub so hard that I really can't get the bath fitter out. So I went and got some carbide, diamond tip, whatever, the best Sawzall blade, like $11 a blade. Here they are, Diablo. They got a name that sounds pretty good, right? Thick metal. And it says cast iron is the very #1 thing it says, and some others. So let's see what happens. All righty, pull this lever up right here. So I got an intruder. I bombed this place pretty good too. Where did it go? This spider was enormous. It's working. Making good progress, guys, here. So pulling back the bath fitter nightmare, and then taking a box cutter and cutting these liquid nails or whatever they used, and then it slowly comes off. So it's kind of like a fly trap, but more like a brown recluse trap, huh? Is that a brown recluse? Tell me what kind of spider that is if y'all know. Well, what started as let's remove the slip cover of a bathtub has turned into, oh my goodness, this is like the whole project. This is how it's turning out so far. So here I go with getting the tiles off, and then I'll finish the tub. Liquid nails, the bath fitter, you know, the cover up or the sides that went over this tile, it was glued on with bead of liquid nails, you know, the bathtub is just like that. Almost. Oh, almost there. Success. Well, that's all I got for today. It's Saturday, the 28th of October. I started at about 2 p.m. It's now around 6:30, 7 o'clock. Not bad for 4 hours. What I thought was going to be a take a bathtub out, put something else in, turned into all of this. Take a look. Holy smoly. About normal starting time, about noon. I would have got here earlier, but I had to hit up a couple of estate sales on the way. I got some pretty good finds. I got a Hot Wheel collection probably from the 50s for a buck a car. I'll show them to you guys soon. So I'm back here at the Money Pit, and we took ownership of it on the 14th of October. It's the 29th. Quick rundown of what we got done. So we got all the carpet out, and that exposed all the more Money Pit issues underneath it, like that. Got the kitchen strippoed. Got my wall removed. Gonna put a bar there, make that look, you know, better. And I'm here today to finish the bathroom. So what I got left is to get this cast iron bathtub out of here. I'm gonna cut it with a Sawzall into a couple pieces and try to muscle it out. So that's what I'm here to do today. I didn't want to stay last night any later making all that noise, so that's what we're going to do today. You're looking at half of a bathtub. These Sawzall blades, carbide teeth, made by Diablo. It took 3 of them to cut it in half, and then the tub was a whole lot more manageable. I'm going to attempt to get the other half out now. All right, let's see. Yeah, big old hole right there. Holy shucks. Rocked in. Man, wait till you see underneath that. Oh God, let me stop by the chiropractor first. Holy smolies. Look at all that rot. All the years, every time you get your bathroom floor wet and you don't think anything of it, goes between the crack of the tile and the tub and rots it out. Now I gotta muscle this thing outside like I did the other half. Well, less than 24 hours ago, this is actually a good looking bathroom. Weekend 3, got the bathroom out so that I can put the handicap bathroom in for my mom. Of course, there's all kinds of rot under here. The drain pipe broke. It was barely hanging on. Golly, man. More and more and more and more. Thank you, guys.